Welcome to Learning with Connection Solutions. Today we will be debunking the top 6 myths you may have heard regarding SEO. We have been involved with search engine optimization for almost 20 years and have heard and seen so many false promises, misconceptions and outright lies. We put this video together for you to give you the facts regarding search engine optimization and hopefully help you improve your business's ranking. Search engine optimization refers to the work involved in making your website more attractive for search engines. This effort results in a higher ranking when searching for specific keywords and phrases. Having a high-ranking website is something that can very likely benefit your business. Here are 6 myths you may have heard along with the facts about search engine optimization. Myth number 1, all SEO today is just about writing good content. Content is in the top 3 most impactful aspects of search engine optimization. However, with good, regular content alone, you will not actually be doing any real SEO. For content to impact your ranking, you must write meaningful content. You need to first research keywords. What terms and phrases are being searched? What questions is your audience asking? What value are you providing? Beyond having content for the sake of filling a space, along with great content that includes the right keywords, your website must be set up correctly so that Google may find and attribute value to your content. Your content must be tagged correctly with metadata and tracking codes. Your content must be linked to internal and external sources with research, planning and editorial authority. Grammar, punctuation and spelling are also needed. Myth number 2, link building is dead. Especially for a small business, link building is one of the biggest indicators for Google to determine if your site has authority, even in 2020. Link building is significantly complicated. Getting third-party websites to link to your website can be very significant to boost search engine results. When your content is referenced on third-party websites, it provides your content with a higher value, which fosters organic search results. If others are referencing your information, it makes it more likely for your information to be correct. Search engines strive to provide users with the most relevant and accurate information. If you are looking to increase mentions, try talking to providers, clients, employees, and you will be surprised how many references you can get. Creating and updating business listings on third-party directories like Yellow Pages can help your ranking. Link building is still very relevant and important today. Myth number 3, I have completed an SEO audit. It looks good, my job here is done. Search engine optimization is not a one-time job, it needs continuous work. Every month you do not work on improving your SEO is a month where your competitors will and eventually catch up to you. They may even get ahead of you. At Connection Solutions, if we start to get complacent and forget to focus on our own efforts, we see a fall in search engine rankings, traffic and inquiries. To counter this, we have our own website booked into our workflow, just as if we were a client. That way, we ensure we add regular good content and attain regular new links to our website. Myth number 4, quick rankings, guaranteed. We hear this a lot. This company said they will guarantee first page rankings overnight, but there are so many factors to consider that an overnight job is simply impossible. Even Google's support website clearly states, no one can guarantee a number 1 ranking on Google. Beware of companies that claim to rank your business overnight, even if they discuss a special relationship with Google or advertise a priority submit scenario. In reality, there are hundreds of different signals that Google's search algorithm looks at to determine if a website ranks well or not. Not only that, SEO is an ongoing practice that takes considerable time to see results. If you are looking for overnight results, search engine optimization may not be the right path for you. You can get ahead by combining SEO with paid advertising. Myth number 5, if you spend money on Google Ads, this will help your website rank organically. Google Ads and search engine rankings are completely different. Throwing lots of money at a Google ad campaign will certainly bring customers and traffic to your website. However, it will not have any direct impact on your website's ranking on search results. Paid ads can, however, be used to help your SEO by bolstering your keyword research. You will be able to gather a lot of accurate data around keywords very quickly using a paid search campaign. Myth number 6, SEO is all smoke and mirrors or dark magic. Even though this is completely false, many marketing agencies will have you believe that so you can continue to pay for something only they can do. However, good SEO is just good marketing. Everything we do as optimizers should have a simple, valid and logical explanation attached to it. For example, when auditing a website, the aim is to find out what obstacles there are to Google's ability to understand, crawl and show your website for terms that would be beneficial to the searcher. In conclusion, Google's main focus is delivering quality search results to searchers as quickly as possible. If your website is perceived to return the best result for a given search, Google will opt to show your webpage. It really is that easy. These were the 6 myths we hear every week, and we have been doing this for almost 20 years. Did we answer your questions about search engine optimization? If you have heard other myths we missed on this list, please let us know, and we will be happy to update our list. We hope you enjoyed this information. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like or a thumbs up, we'd appreciate it. If you need help with search engine optimization to improve your inbound marketing results, just visit our website at www.connectionsolutions.com. SEO is only a small part of our Midas method, our very own 4-pillar fully managed business growth solution for companies like yours. If you need help growing your business, and would like to learn more about the Midas method, and our 100% return on investment guarantee, just visit our website at www.connectionsolutions.com. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed creating it for you, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon.